Hey! In front of me is Motorola Moto G22 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications from chosen apps on this device. First of all, you need to access device's settings. Now just notifications, scroll down and tap on app settings over here. So sorry, you didn't have to scroll down. Then you need to tap over here and select most recent, most frequent, all apps are turned off. I will go with most frequent, and now you need to click on the switcher next to an app from which you want to disable notifications from, like Gmail. As you can see, all notifications from Gmail are now off. You can always turn them back on by choosing the same switcher, but you can also tap on one of your apps and manage notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!